Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I'm Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. Right, today's workout is going on from top. So we are starting the week from the top down this time. We are starting with the shoulders. The most important joint is the multifaceted joint. Very important workout. Please watch till the end. There are a lot of important information through the video, and you need to do this. Just watch till the end. Hey guys, the first exercise, they already started the workout. What they are doing today, the first exercise is the pike push-up. So you go on a mountain pose and dive down. So the dive bomber happens, but you don't get into a up incline where the down dog happens. They stay down in the pike and come back all the way up, and it engages your shoulders like crazy. You can do one more thing is the Indian push-up. If you have an option, you can go the Indian push-up one way and come back through the Indian push-up, which is even more difficult and even more engaging for your shoulders. You can try both. So we're going to show you the pike push-up, and you can see that now. Is the pike push-up is completely engaging the shoulders. So in the pike push-up, you bring your butt high up and pull the shoulders down to the floor and bring it up all the way. So the load is on the shoulder, the anterior deltoids, and it's loading the whole of shoulders. So you can see it working. Actually, you can literally see it working. So the second exercise, okay, is a barbell press. Okay, so we're doing a very lightweight with more reps. So we're going to do 45 reps, which is 15 into 3. Now, they've already started the workout. What I've told him to do is engage the core, move, shift his body a little in forward and take the load forward. Now that engages not only the core, tightens his shoulder, there's a lot of load hanging on to the anterior deltoids and pushing it all the way up, right? Now Sumati is doing a little bit wrong. So now I think she finished the reps. Now you'll have to sit like this, slightly forward, not so much, yeah, slightly forward. Don't put the load on your back and take it up. Yeah, that rod is about 10 kgs in weight, 7.5 to be precise. Telling you guys is how you position your leg. Position your leg forward so that you're pushing the foot down like this, so that the force is like this, and against that is what you're pushing a hand in this angle, about slightly. Now he's tired, so it's going straight up, but otherwise it was going in an angle. So slightly, not, so you're engaging your core here in the midsection and keeping your torso up and pushing the weight away. So that was the third set, and it was the last one, so you missed it. You saw the exercise in the first round, and just follow that. The third exercise of the day is Arnold Press. You've already done that. So how you have to do Arnold Press, imagine you're reading a book, all right? You read the book, so engage your core, keep your shoulders wide, and read the book, okay? Then once you read it, bless. Okay, so take the dumbbell, bless. Read, bless. So that's exactly what you're going to do. Now turn the dumbbell as it goes up and press. Yes, there are other ways to do Arnold Press by doing the rotator cuff and all that. Do the simple one now. Okay. Now everybody is in a seated position doing that. His doctor do the Arnold Press. Okay. So as I told you, the simple version of Arnold Press. Read the book, then you go up and bless. Right. Anterior deltoids again. Okay. It works on all parts of your delts, but majorly on the anterior delts, and this is a very engaging exercise. You can start with that. You can see Padma doing it now. Seated, what happens is if you're not pushing your shoulders forward, not so much, engage your core and sit upright and then do it. Don't lean back while doing that. Okay, don't put the load on your back. Okay, so there, if you can see Sumati sitting upright, holding up. Put the pressure on your leg, stabilize yourself, keep your torso upright so that you're not putting the load on your back. Arjun, sit straight, put the load in front, so slightly in front If you lean, automatically the load is off your back. It's one of the difficult ones in the deltoid exercises. So what you're going to do, imagine you have two pockets. Shove your hands into the hand pockets. So your hand is like this, as if you're slinging the gun. So push your elbows forward, then raise your elbows first. Okay, so this is what you do. So the dumbbells is in your hands and drive it with your elbow up. You're doing your medial head. So lateral rise, okay, this, and the same posture comes for the front rise as well. So remember, shove your hands in the pocket, bring your elbows up and rise up first. So this is what you're going to do one after the other. But the next exercise is lateral rise. What you're seeing them do is the lateral rise. So if you see, they're driving with the elbow to the shoulders, the medial head. Again, so if you see them, there, yes. That's one of the ways to do it. Very engaging exercise, very difficult. And if you're doing this, most of the women struggle with this exercise because the medial head is underdeveloped for most of the women. That's my experience. I'm not saying everybody has that, but then that's my experience. So what you're seeing there is the medial head lateral rise. The front rise. So what we're going to do is same thing. Insert the hand in the pocket, elbow in front, then rise it up. Okay, so and drop. Yeah. Now what you're doing by getting your elbow forward is you're internally rotating your shoulders. So your internal rotation of the shoulders and then rise. So even here when I did that, I'm internally rotating the shoulders and then rising up. So that's exactly what we're doing. It's got nothing to do with your hand in the pocket. So if you're watching this video till now, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe and write to us and ask what you need. And if you are in need of something, just write to us. You have all the links in the video, so you can just write to us and ask. Thank you. Thanks for the support. And there's an immense support coming up now. Thank you. Watching Doc do now is the front rise. Among the all the shoulder exercises, I see this as the easiest one when you rise front rise. And do remember to internally rotate your shoulders and pour the jug. So what I recommend is just pour the jug. So if you see doctor is turning the dumbbell inwards, and that's what you need to do. So from the pocket hold where your elbow is twisted, and then you internally rotate the shoulders. So that's exactly what you need to do. So this is again an internal rotation of your shoulders with a load on your front deltoids, anterior deltoids. So that's what we're doing. Again, we're going to do the posterior deltoids. So what we're going to do is go into a semi-lunge with your legs straight. And if you see the torso from down to bottom, so top to your head till my heel is one straight line. And turn your elbow outward. So here is an external rotation of your shoulder. So you're going to turn your shoulder outwards and press. So you're going to press your rear deltoids by doing this. So you're externally rotating the shoulders, showing the thumb backwards, leaning it back and pressing it. So that's what you're going to do. All right. All right, you can see them doing the exercise. Now, Padma, you need to show the thumb backwards. Point the thumb backwards, yes. All right. That's the right way of doing it. So you externally rotate and engage the shoulders behind. So that's exactly what you're supposed to do. That's an awesome exercise. This is the shrug. So you're going to hold the dumbbell wide, okay? Stand square, engage your core. Then what you're going to do is when you're holding this thing, your hand goes like this, okay, towards your ears. So shrug it towards your ears like that and get your traps working. Okay, not like this, but like this. So wide and towards you. Okay, It's a tough one. Watch it and you'll understand how tough it is. What you're seeing Padma do is shrugs. So she's bringing her shoulders inwards and the traps is engaging. So you can see the traps engaging. Bringing her shoulders together and holding the thing. You can see doctor doing it. And doctor is on the functional trainer because of his finger. Doctor, somebody punched his finger, so so he lost his finger, so we put him on the functional trainer. So same thing, but don't flex your biceps while doing that. Okay, so yeah, Arjun, yes, good. Don't shrug your head. Yes, keep your head straight, bring your shoulder in. Yes. If you've been watching the video till now, thanks. Subscribe, share, like, and you know what to do. Thank you. See you in the next video. Next, we might be doing a lot more on the upper torso this week. So continue watching.